So now I'm going to take a bigger brush. I want to make some more bold move with the red color in this area. And I'm actually going to, I have two brushes I'm thinking about using, not at the same time, but differently. So we're going to start with the bigger one, which is my 1-inch chip brush that's been cut off. So I'm putting some of this reddish color paint on here, and I'm just going to like gather my psychic forces and make a bold move. And I think it needs to have more of a bold move. And maybe some down here. I think I might go back in with a smaller brush and sort of possibly continue something here. And maybe kind of join this up to the top. And now I have to take a look at that and evaluate that. I like the big bold mark that it makes. It kind of breaks up all that open space. But I'm liking this. I'm feeling a little bit more red, and I'm going to do it, re-accentuate this down toward the bottom with my skinny brush. So we actually have a nice way to get through this piece. We can come down here and go this way. So you do have good eye flow, and you can get around the painting. It's one of these very subtle paintings. Even though I mixed up a lot of colors, it doesn't look like there's much color on there, but there actually is. And it's one of these more open space type of a piece of a painting with a few bold areas. So I'm happy with this, and I think for now I'm going to leave it at this. Hello everyone, I'm Julie Schumer, and I'd like to welcome you to my Santa Fe studio. The studio is a large warehouse space located in Midtown Santa Fe. I'm standing in front of our front door so I can give you a panoramic view of the interior. So we'll start with my husband's space. I'm married to James Koskinas, who's also a painter of portraits and horses. And this is his side of the studio. We've got this huge sculpture table that he built that we use to gesso paper, lay out unrolled canvas and things like that. Then we're coming into my area. You can see we do paint side by side, quite literally. And I've got a new one on the wall that I'm working on. I don't know how it's going to turn out yet. I've only worked on it for one day, so we have a ways to go. But these are my tables of materials, kind of nestled next to his. And I've got some other works in progress kind of laying around in my area. Then toward the back there, you can see our little kitchen area, which we're in the process of sort of remodeling. Then we've got just paintings stacked around. It's a beautiful space. It has wonderful lighting. We've been here for 12 years. Now I'll take you upstairs. We're upstairs in the mezzanine area of the studio. We store paintings up here, as you can see. We have great racks and a lot of paintings stored. And we also have a little viewing area right here where we put up paintings that we like to study for a while that we've done to make sure that they're finished. So we've got two up here that look nice together. We also have an area of a lot of art books that we sit up here and read sometimes as kind of a break from painting. Now I'm upstairs still, and I'm going to give you a little shot of how the studio looks from above here. You can get another idea of how our space looks. I hope you've enjoyed this brief peek into my world. If you'd like to have a more extensive studio tour and see newly completed works or more works in progress, please contact me through my website. Thanks for watching.